In this video, I'm going to share with you 21 daily life hacks that will make your fitness journey much easier. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Do you feel more thirsty and sometimes even body pains when sitting in an air-conditioned room? This is because air conditioners are dehydrating that suck the water off the atmosphere and then our bodies. But don't worry, one smart life hack is to place a pot full of water in the room when the AC is on. The air conditioner will suck the water and spare you. Next, do not peel off the skin of potatoes, sweet potatoes, pumpkin and cucumbers before preparing them. Yes, it's their peel which is super rich in vitamins and minerals. But what about pesticides? Well, for that, wash it in the baking soda solution for 10 to 15 minutes. A hack that saves your time and effort and also gives you extra nutrition. How cool is that? Not sure if the vendor has served you fresh sugarcane juice? One simple hack is to know through its color. Fresh sugarcane juice is light green in color, whereas not so fresh sugarcane juice will be darker in color. Be careful the next time. It's so annoying when the cucumber that you had cut turned out to be bitter, isn't it? Well, not anymore. Next time, cut the cucumber from the center, leave it for 15 seconds and then cut it. It will be sweet and nourishing. Do you directly soak lentils in water and throw off the water in which it was soaked before cooking? Never make that mistake. This is the water which is so full of micronutrition. Of course, we should clean the lentils as well. So the best way is to first wash the lentils thoroughly and then soak it in as much water as you would need for cooking it. After 6 to 8 hours, you can directly place the pot on cooking. No loss of nutrition. Smart, isn't it? Then do you shy away from soaking split lentils as they readily get cooked? Nah, that's not the healthy approach. You must soak all lentils, pulses, rice and even broken wheat before cooking irrespective of their cooking time. This is because all these foods get assimilated 100% only when they are soaked prior. Often while preparing curries, it happens that we need to add extra water. However, most of us add normal running tap water in this situation. Never do that. Not only will it increase the cooking time, but also the curry made will be harder to digest. Instead, heat the water and then add it. This way your curries will be much healthier and tastier. The more time you will take kneading the dough for chapati, the lesser time your stomach will take to digest it. In fact, whenever you begin cooking a meal, always first knead the dough, cover it and then make the chapati at last. This will result in fast digesting softer chapatis. Rice should never be eaten at night. Have you heard that? Well, don't worry, it's not really true. It is generally said so due to its extremely cool potency, because of which when taken at night, it can cause sinus problems and even weight gain. But the hack is to add bay leaf and black pepper when cooking it for dinner, which balances it out. So enjoy that dinner guilt-free. If you have ever ground thread mishri and tried storing it in an airtight container for future use, you would find that it turns hard stone-like. To avoid this, after grinding the mishri, let it cool down and then transfer it in an airtight container. Works so well. Whenever you drink a herbal concoction, be it lemon water, aloe vera juice or giloy juice for immunity, make sure that you do not add too much water to it. According to Ayurveda, for best results, the quantity of water should be equal to the herbal juice added or at max double, not more than that. Next, if you are often confused as to how often you should stick on one herbal concoction, Ayurveda teaches that one herbal concoction should be consumed for at least one mandala, which is 48 days for it to properly show its benefit. That is why it is generally recommended for a lump sum of 2 months. After this time period, you should stop consuming that herbal medicine for at least 15-20 days. That is not to let your system get used to it. Then if need be, you may start again. The very first meal that you consume after waking up and the last meal that you consume at night before sleeping hold a special significance in terms of their absorption and effectiveness. For this reason, herbal concoctions are recommended before breakfast and medicinal herbs are prescribed with milk before sleep. This is how you can make the most of it. Should you eat vegetable dalia for weight loss? Can I eat it for weight gain? Yes to both. Ayurveda suggests that if dalia, that is broken wheat, is roasted in ghee, it is helpful for weight gain. However, if it is roasted in a cold pressed oil, it helps shed off the extra body weight. To avoid insects, especially in the rainy season, place a few neem leaves like this in wheat flour, rice and even lentils and pulses. You can even place some neem leaves in your closets. keeps germs at bay. Not sure where to find them? Just look around. The next time you extract paneer from milk, do not discard the leftover whey water. It can be used to knead the dough softer, for making curries, can be added in soups, can be used to wash hair, skin, good for plants as well. And if your digestive system is weak, drink it as it is. It's a medicine for you. Has your milk or curd gone sour? Rather than consuming it and imbalancing your Pitta dosha due to its hot potency, use it to wash the hair and skin during bathing. It will instantly make your hair shiny and skin smooth. Does your stomach bloat every time you drink milk? One simple hack is to create froth in the milk by pouring it in another glass from a height. Pour it back in the same glass again. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. This will make the milk extremely light to digest. Best for people who often suffer from gas. We all know how refreshing tender coconut water is, but many times we are unable to buy it because it's hard to open. Right? But not anymore. I highly recommend investing in this economical coconut opener. Just insert it from the side and enjoy fresh tender coconut water. With this gadget in your kitchen, you can happily enjoy coconut water. Do you experience bloating immediately after a meal? One smart hack is not to immediately get up after eating food. Keep sitting at least for a while. If you can, sit in Vajrasana. It's so rewarding that you can see the difference in just one sitting. Do you have the trouble of too many thoughts while sleeping? Well, it totally depends on what your mind consumes. Every night before going to sleep, spend some time reading a book that will relax you. Probably a novel. For me, it's spiritual books. Not only they calm the mind, but also the readings get easily embedded in our subconscious mind, which helps us grow spiritually. Try out. So friends, these were the 21 life hacks which I believe will make your fitness lifestyle easy. Found this video helpful? If you want me to make a second part of this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Suffering from hair fall, I highly recommend that you check out the Tribe Concepts Hair Grow Kit, which includes their 30-day miracle hair oil and an organic hair cleanser. The oil is made with 100% natural ingredients brewed in sesame oil, which the company promises it to be a unique recipe for hair growth when used for 3 months regularly. Their hair cleanser is made solely from natural soap berries, shikakai, amla, hibiscus and fenugreek. The company stresses that it's not just the natural ingredients but the proportion of each ingredient and the traditional process that makes their product so effective. What impressed me is their stainless steel packaging that surely maintains the efficacy of the product. The Tribe's Concept also has a root strengthening and conditioning hair mask, a face brightening cleanser and a Kumkumadi Tailam. All these products are 100% safe and natural, recommended for both men and women. To buy them, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 10% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I almost every Saturday at 11 AM do a Q&A session. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.